Hey, what's up, Crackalacking squad? We got a quick video today. Today, we're doing a review on the ACCU Culling tags. Comes with 7. Let's hop into it. These are 7 locking floating culling tags. By the way, everything we do is elite. So elites econ attachments to the lower jaw and holds with 0 pressure at lock. So good that they don't even know they're tagged. We're here for the review on all 7 culling tags. Now, of course, I am not on the water, so I can't actually physically show you guys. But here are the tags right here. It has a little black tail ending right here. It comes with 7 multiple colors, one being green, blue, black, red, white, orange, and yellow. These are all the same tags with different colors. They come with a strip with 7 numbers on them, and you can label each culling tag with the design number you want, your personal choice. It's a sticker. Stick it on. I don't know where you're supposed to stick it on for exactly. I put mine right here. I chose to put mine right here. Here's what they look like. Some of them I did half-fast, some of them I really took my time. If you guys want to see how they do on the water, that video will be linked in the description. It will be recorded sometime next, in the link in the description, in about a month or a half from now. So if you guys want to see how these things actually work on holding a fish, updated review 2021, make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But otherwise, these things are looking good. These things are looking sauce. They look weatherproof. Put your finger right here, end it like this, hold the fish, however you want to hold it, whether if you're a thumb guy or you're all index guy. Either way, hold it. Fish is cool. Here's a close-up of what the culling actually looks like. Has a little black scribble tape right here to make sure that this doesn't fall off from this. But besides that, of course, that's it. And until next time.